Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to make money with AliExpress. So you cannot make money directly from AliExpress, but you can use it as a tool to build your own online business. And the most common way is dropshipping. So the concept is that you have to list AliExpress products on platforms like Shopify, eBay or Amazon, sell them at higher price that you will buy them from AliExpress, and when a customer makes an order from your store, you order from AliExpress and shipped straight to your customer. Another way how to earn money from AliExpress is through AliExpress affiliate program. So you have to share special links to products, and when people buy through your link, you will earn some small commission. And the third way is that you have to go with wholesale buying. So in other words, you have to order in bulk from AliExpress and resell items locally or on other marketplaces. Also, if you open AliExpress and scroll through your homepage, you will see a section that is called Bulk Saver Hub, and here you can see items that could be bought in bulk. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.